In our today's tutorial, I want to show you how to convert raster to domain in Arcgis. This is a very useful tool to extract the area extent of your raster. In other words, it helps you to carve out your study area boundary. Okay? So to do that, I will launch into my Arcgis interface. Okay, so this is my digital elevation model. Okay, this is my DEM. So to do that, I will go to 3D analyst tools to convert it to domain, and it will give us a vector result. Okay, so I will go to 3D analyst tools, then scroll down to conversion tools, then I will come down to from raster and then raster to domain. Okay, so I will right click on it. This window will pop up. Impute raster, that will be my DEM. Then I will navigate to my working folder, output feature class. Okay, we name this to be domain. After doing that, I will click on save. Output feature class type, I will make it to be at polygon. After doing that, I will click on OK. Okay, so you can see that our raster has been converted to domain. So I will come over here to color and make it hollow. Then also increase the width size. After doing that, I will click on OK. You can see that our raster has been successfully converted to domain. Okay. I want to show you another example. If you have a digital elevation, if you have a DEM that is in this format and you want to digitize the boundary, you can convert it to domain in order for you to know the exact boundary of your DEM. Okay, so to do that, I will still go back to my raster to domain. Okay, and I will right click on it, impute raster. I will choose my DEM, then navigate to my working folder and give it a name. Domain 2. After doing that, I will click on save. Then output feature class, I will choose polygon. Okay, after doing that, I will click on OK. Okay, it is done. So I can go ahead to change the color and the width size and also make it hollow. Okay, so guys, that is how to convert raster to domain using Arcgis. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in my next tutorial. Thank you.